Hey, welcome back to my channel. Jeremy Parvin here. Today I'm going to show you a house that I have available. First, I'll cover the basic details about this property for prospective tenants, and then on the second half I'll go into some details for my subscribers who are current landlords or future landlords. I just posted this house on Zillow on Sunday about 3 p.m. Today is Tuesday about 4 p.m. as I'm recording this, and as you can see there's been a total of 30 interests in this property, many of whom have already applied. Here it is, 11 applicants so far. So from my Zillow property manager I can click on view on network and then look at it on any of the 3 networks that it syndicates to. So we'll check it out on Zillow. So it's a good looking house. I've had it for about 6 months. It's been completely renovated. It's been repainted inside and out. Also has a brand new heat and air unit, water heater, appliances, and roof. It's in the East Hamilton school zone, which is highly desirable. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,100 square feet. I've got 3 different rental prices that range from $1,795 with a $3,500 deposit, $1,845 with a $2,500 deposit, or an $1,895 with a $1,500 deposit. And you can start with the lower deposit and higher rent and then pay more down later to decrease your rent. I do this to give people options. The more deposit people put down, they take better care of my property. When I get it back, it's in much better shape. So in return for a higher deposit, I lower the rent. I do allow pets. I charge a $200 non-refundable pet deposit plus $20 per pet per month. So there's a 1-car garage. Actually, the entire lower floor of this is an unfinished basement, which is great. There's a workshop bench in there, and there are several windows down there as well. Stainless steel appliances, all new flooring. So the kitchen and great room are opened up. The bathroom really turned out well. This is where you walk in the front door, and this is that same room. All the windows have been replaced also. Really clean downstairs. He did a great job of painting the walls, painting the floor, and putting some plastic up underneath the floor, which actually has insulation. Here's a real small half bath that's in the master. I believe it used to be a closet, and they added a sink and a toilet in there. Love the way he did the wood on the outside of this. This flipper did a great job. He actually called me the other day and asked me if I'd like to buy another one of his. But you can see from the back how big this backyard is and how big the front yard is. In the future, I may look into building another house on both sides of this property and having the driveways all be on this side street. There's a really nice grapevine growing in the back, huge parking, beautiful lot. So you can apply through Zillow, or you can also apply through my homepage, ChattanoogaLeaseOption.com. You see it's the first property listed. I do offer short-term leases less than a year on a month-to-month basis for a simple 25% rent premium and a $1,000 cleaning and touch-up fee. And then here's the information on the pets as well. If I go back up here, you'll see the same information here. To move in, it'd be $1,795 plus $3,500 deposit would be $4,295, or if you chose the $1,895 plus the $1,500 deposit, it'd be $3,395 to move in. I'm looking for 3 times the rent and take-home pay, so that's roughly $5,300 of household income per month. I ask for proof of income, a copy of both driver's licenses, and a reference from your current or previous landlord, or if you owned a home, your last statement or 2 where I can see that you've been current on your mortgage payment. If you happen to work for yourself, of course, I can take a tax return. As long as this house is showing on Zillow and Vacant on my website, feel free to walk around it and look in the windows and then contact me to schedule a showing. The current tenant is working to get the rest of their things out of there, and then it will be cleaned. Should be available by the end of this week or the first of next week. For all of you subscribers, landlords, potential landlords, just a couple of tidbits on this. The current tenants are working to move out early with their lease, and I'm working with them to find a new tenant. They are required to leave the utilities in their name, which they've done. Continue to mow the grass and keep up the yard outside. I sent them my move out checklist. They have already moved out, but while they are there, I usually have tenants like this show it for me a few times to help me get it lined up. Here's a quick video clip I took when I was out there today. It's not clean and there's still some stuff in there, but at least you can get a feel for the layout, and I thought this might be fun. Oh, I also sped this up. You can see Terry's out there working on the landscaping, coming in the front door. When you walk in here, entry room, this has been opened up. So you see great room, kitchen, nice granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Great view of the backyard there. Coming down the hallway. They did a great job on this bathroom. All 3 bedrooms right there. They all have closets, window. Great light in that bedroom. Here's the master. You see a tiny little bathroom, toilet sink, that's it. I think this used to be a closet, maybe in the adjoining bathroom, and a regular size closet here. Coming back down the hallway to the left, there are the stairs down to the complete unfinished basement. And over here on this side, this is where the washer and dryer goes. You can see the new water heater. and all the way down here. It's nice lighting down in this unfinished basement. Also, a lot of times there are no windows or very little windows. And then we'll check out the backyard off the kitchen door. Really nice big backyard with a concrete patio and some cool grapevines. Fence on a couple of pieces there, so adding some additional fence to 2 more sides to fence in for a pet or some children would be pretty easy. And then outside, Terry is still working on the bushes, looking good over here. I've already shown this property to 4 people over the last 2 days. I'll be sure to give you an update. Until next time, I hope you have a great week.